Ooh, that's that fake scalp. Cute little layered type thing. We do things in decency and in what order? And around the way we was getting them perms, and when it was time for the touch up, we was touching up all of the hair, not just the new growth, honey. We was touching it all up, and then them ends was snap, crackle, pop, pop, popping off.
We was over processed and stressed,
and we was like,
why is my ends so see-through like this?
I don't know much, but I know I love you. And that may be all I need to know.
Child, the thing was something, wasn't it?
Don't FWOP it. I know some of y'all be FWOPing it because y'all tell me y'all be FWOPing it. You're gonna have to just watch my video and I'm gonna show you how to layer. Straight up. You think it's a game? It's not. Boop, that's it, that's all. Chad, I've been sitting here recording. Y'all. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today. We've been bringing some fire. So hopefully today will be equally some fire. And hopefully it's not bright because I decided to be a little ignorant on my face today. I got some new beauty products that I happen to like, y'all. So we're gonna get into this later today, but we do things in decency and in what order? You already know what time it is. So I gotta show love to my
subscriber of the day.
Bam. You are the bomb. Y'all, PSA, PSA, PSA. Hit that subscribe. You can do it. Put your back into it. So listen, I'm bringing you a slay today. And this slay has been brought to you by Klaiyi. Look good, feel great. Y'all, I did my face today. What is going on? Honey, I have just been getting some real fancy jewels here lately. Let me come up. There we go. Y'all, I want y'all to know something. If you think for 1 second somebody's church mama ain't wearing these earrings, you are sadly mistaken, okay? Wig cap. You know what this is. It's your wig bag. When you take your wig off, you put it off up in this bag. Don't what? That's right. Don't FWOP it. I know some of y'all be FWOPing it because y'all tell me y'all be FWOPing it. Well, let me just tell the truth and shame the devil. Every once in a blue moon, I still might FWOP it. But that's just if I'm like super duper tired, okay? That's only if I'm tired. Y'all got to understand, I'll be tired. Like today, for instance, I'm filming twice today. See, y'all don't know that. Y'all don't. Okay. See, y'all don't realize that. Okay, let's see this wig, and then I'm gonna see what I can do with it. Ooh, what's this? Oh, this is, hold on, I'm gonna tell you exactly what this is. This is some body. Hey. I think I'm gonna do a cute little layered big curl type thing. This is Klaiyi's 100% high quality virgin human hair body wave wig, lace part wig, natural black hair wig, okay? That's what this is. I think I have 24 inches, y'all. 150% density. This starts at $108.23, which is not bad, y'all. I believe this is on sale right now, honey. I'm liking this price. So, bam, that's it. That's all. Ooh, y'all, and this is a closure wig, my favorite. You think it's a game, and it's clearly not. Check. Honey, this them wigs they was wearing in the cafeteria when we was in elementary school, because they had just got their hair done. And they had to put them things over there, be like, what you want, baby? Huh? You you want carrots today. You don't want no, you know you better eat your carrots, baby. I put you just 1 or 2 on there, okay? Tell your mama now. Okay. Tell her Miss Carol said hey, okay? All right. Then you behave too. I saw you in the hallway the other day. I ain't gonna tell your mama, but you better behave, okay? We be like, man, how Miss Carol see me? Miss Carol synced you. Okay, y'all. This is a fake scalp closure. You see this right here? That's that fake scalp. This was made popular a couple years ago, and I haven't really done too many fake scalp wigs. I don't know. I don't know why.
I don't know much, but I know I love you. And that may be all I need to know.
Child, the thing was something, wasn't it?
Okay, so this is a body wave wig. Body wave is really cute. Have you ever seen those looks like where it's like a layered full body type of wave look, like big waves? When people want that particular look, they get body wave hair, okay? You don't want to get bone straight hair because sometimes bone straight hair really it's a struggle. It's a struggle when you trying to bump it. You be trying to bump it and it be like, hello, I'm straight. I don't want to be bumped. Don't bump her. She don't want to be bumped. Don't bump her. And I see right now what this gonna look like. And every time I do a style like this, the pictures always turn out real cute. And y'all be like, oh, I like that wig. And I realize, like, sometimes you do these wigs and people will have the impression that that's how the wig comes. And a lot of time when you see that style, that's not how the wig comes, because the wig companies don't know how long and short you want your layers to be. So they can't just be cutting layers. So they give you the basis of what it is that you're probably going to want. Either you're going to keep it like that, because I'm sure it's going to be cute when you just install it. Or if you want that layered look, you're going to have to just watch my video and I'm going to show you how to layer. Straight up. You think it's a game? It's not. Boop. That's it. That's all. So I'm going to show you how to get that layered look. I'm going to show you. Show them, dresser. I don't want y'all to get this wig thinking that those juicy layers is finna come off up in there. We got to do it. But I'm going to show you a very easy way to do it, okay? I've actually showed you this before, so I don't want you to be like, you right, girl. Y'all don't be showing us. Because I have showed y'all how to cut layers before. You just got to go back. You got to go back, like hairlines back in my repertoire. But I have showed y'all, so don't get up here lying. Very nice and soft. It's supposed to look real like that. It's supposed to look like that. So that's the purpose of the fake scalp. I want the ends to look real like mine, even if that means a little bit ragged. If that makes sense. I just want it to look natural. They not thin at the end like them bad perms. You know when we used to get perms, I used to get perms. Listen, I'm not one of them folk that be like, girl, you need to go natural. Because I just went natural. Well, I didn't just go natural. I've been natural for a very long time. 2008, 9, 10, something like that. But anyways, so I was relaxed, honey. I was using Just For Me. I couldn't go no stronger than Just For Me, honey, because all my hair would have been snapped smooth off. And around the way, we was getting them perms. And when it was time for the touch up, we was touching up all of the hair, not just the new growth, honey. We was touching it all up each and every time it was time for a touch up. And then them ends was snap, crackle, popping off. And we was like,
why is my ends so see-through like this?
and then we was doing them fan ponytails, because that's a good thing to do when your ends are see-through, because it gives the fan a nice kind of wispy effect. But we was sad on the inside because we didn't like them thin ends, but we couldn't figure out why is my ends looking like this. Honey, them ends was lost and turned out, okay?
We was over processed and stressed
Many years ago. I say all that to say you don't want ends like that, okay? Child, don't be over processed and stressed, okay? And you don't want your wig to look like that at the ends either. You don't. Let's put this on and style it. I'm so excited. Again, Klaiyi, make sure you check out their website, because it looks like they're having a sale or something right now, because see, these prices are good. And you want to get these wigs before they be why? Here's the deal. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you enjoy my content. Bam! Just like that, you are part of the family. That's it. That's all. Let's get it.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. Ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. For the biggest, that's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda.